How do you make $10,000 a month with Kindle publishing in 2020? That is coming up in today's video. Hey everybody, it's Emeka coming at you from my self-publishing blueprint, and in today's video I want to lay out my 7 tips on what you need to do to make $10,000 a month with Kindle publishing in 2020. Now, before I begin, I'm gonna go over the biggest things that you need to keep in mind. There's gonna be a playlist underneath in the description of this video. Make sure you go there to find more specific details on each and every single thing that I talked about. But let's get into it. So tip number 1 is decide on what niche you're gonna start publishing in. Now, a niche is different than a keyword. A niche is going to be the general space that you want to focus in. Is it knitting? Is it technology? Is it computers? Is it make money online? Is it cats? Is it whatever the case is? Find the niche, understand what type of customers are in that niche first. What is the biggest problem that you can solve in that niche? That's step 1. Number 2, find your keywords. This is by far the most difficult task for most self-publishers. It's finding the profitable keyword. Now, what that means is keywords are simply a search term. So with those customers that you finally decided on, you're gonna focus on those customers. What's the keyword that they're typing into Amazon that you have to find out? What are the most common words that they're typing in when they're trying to find a solution to their said problem? Once you find that, then you got your keyword. Now it's time to make some money. So step 3, it's kind of a 2-part. 1, write your book if you're a writer, or if you have 0 funds to get going, just start writing your book on that topic. Do the research, spend some time on it. It's gonna be painstaking. Get it done. Step 2, just go order it, pay a ghostwriter, pay a company like Urban Writers, pay them, have them create a top-notch book on that topic for you. That is what I prefer to do. I am not a writer by any means. I don't like writing books. I think writing books is a waste of time. I just want to publish the books and collect the money. So I hire people to do that for me. I'm gonna have a link in the description as well for the Urban Writers with a discount code, so you can save a few bucks on that too. The 4th point is get your cover. I use this exact same place. I use the Urban Writers to do my cover design as well. Once again, I don't want to have to deal with going to Fiverr and dealing with crappy $5 covers or anything like that. Your cover is the most important part of your book. If you're not spending $20, $30, $40, $50 on a solid cover, you're missing the boat. And God forbid the people who are doing your own covers. Trust me, 90% of those suck. Go to a professional. Don't use something like Canva. Go to professionals. Get your covers designed by professionals. Pay for it. The return on investment on a $50 cover is like 10, 100x. It's so much worth it just to have the professionals do it for you. Number 5, publish your book. Publish it up on KDP, publish it on Ingram Spark, publish it on Audible ACX. Publish your book, get it out there. You've put all the time and effort into it, the money into it. It's time to get it out there and get it where people can now buy it. And of course, number 6, market your book. Start running your ads to it. Start using Kindle countdown days. Go out where your customers are, if it's on Facebook groups, if it's on other social media platforms, wherever it is, however you want to market your book, you have to get it out there and get it in front of the people that you want to see. You know, I've had students who are in the dog training niche. They've partnered up with actual dog trainers who are industry leaders, and they've sent them their books so they could promote them inside their Facebook groups. Be creative. Don't just confine yourself to one advertising platform like on Amazon. Get out there and learn how to actually market your books. Step 7, rinse and repeat this process. Keep doing this over and over again. Each book will start making more and more money. Before you know it, you've built yourself a 5-figure a month business, and your entire life can change. So like I said, for more in-depth details, click the playlist that I've made specifically for those of you watching this exact video. It's in the description. Go check that out. If you have any comments or if you want clarification or anything, drop me a comment down below. I'd love to connect with you. As always, everybody, I'm Emeka. Speak to you soon.